We teamed up again today with Central Park Garage. Mike came with us. Really cool class here in Rochester, Spalding High School. Their auto program is a really good program, and we're talking to 3 classes today. Very engaged students, good questions, are not, look, the 4-year colleges are, right? But the 2 years are pretty cost effective, yeah. These are really great groups of students to talk to. They're very engaged. They ask really good questions. They don't care if you know how to fix cars. They want to know if you have good work ethic. Like if you're going to show up and not be on your phone all day.
Excellent time today. Really some very engaging students, which brought out a better aspect of both Adam and myself. The passion of the students, when you ask them who wanted to be in the automotive program after they graduate, and you have almost everyone put their hands up, it's just amazing. It's absolutely awesome.
It was great talking to students from all walks of life. Some already worked on cars, some of them had no experience. So we got some good questions out of that. And students can start from square one with no experience, and we got to tell them all about the different pathways into the industry. Whether you're jumping in green with no experience, you have this class. You put this class on your resume and it's gonna open some doors for you, okay? And Mr. Ninehouse is gonna teach you a lot over the next 2 years. There's gonna be some classmates that are messing around, horsing around, not paying attention, all right? If you pay attention and do the work that he teaches you, you're gonna be light years ahead of some of your classmates when you graduate. No matter what your background is, there's a career for you in automotive.